Walmart.
Boredom. Oh, look at this. Camo.
Look, even with
Obsessed with camo much? Yeah.
No.
I am. Maybe. Uh-oh.
For Justin.
It's so cute. I love it.
Butt monsters.
Well, it's like with the 22, you get one box of 550 pack of 10, and that's it. They're gone. As soon as they hit the shelf,
Dude, I want that.
they're down here.
Here, you drive it, Joe. You're not gonna be in the video?
I've been in it the whole time. Really? Can we say hi to... Never mind, I can't switch it.
What?
Can we say hi to Justin?
Oh, you can't switch it?
Nope. Wait. Say hi.
I need to go to the baby center. I want to look at the baby bag. I seriously need a new baby bag.
I know you're using a purse.
Oh.
Think in front of people at Walmart.
Yeah, so that's what I do.
Yeah.
Remember easy.
No fall.
Fine.
It's because you're long legs. When you're short, you don't have that problem. You just trip over everything.
Oh my goodness. Mama said she wanted pajamas like Justin's.
Uh-oh.
My goodness. It's so funny. Easily addicted.
It's just the blonde.
Look, that is a little horsey.
Oh. Easily moved.
Oh, girls.
You walked past the boys.
Oh, look.
Boys.
Look at that. It has a little dinosaur on it.
Camo.
Aw. These are so cute. I like the zipper ones. I don't like the button ones.
Because buttons are annoying.
Yes, they are. He found these very cute.
Say hi.
Look at those. There's a duck. I wish I had a little girl. She would be so spoiled.
Would you trade Justin for a girl?
No.
I was saying. Justin's too cute to be a girl.
Why Santa does not bring me, Grandma will. Oh, that's so cute.
It's true, too.
Oh. I don't have to buy that for him for Christmas. And those. Look at that.
We gotta have money first.
Yeah, I know. Are they looking for diaper bags?
I don't know. So, for
I
a minute.
have one of those I need to get out. So.
So. I'm done arguing. The never-ending battle. You're at the bag.
That's cute.
You got a tiger. Whatever that is.
Look, has one on the back. It actually has pockets inside. See, that's what mine does not have. It does not have pockets inside.
Yeah, we're baby shopping because we're bored.
What's that one? That one's cute. It's a 14 piece.
Oh, What pieces do you need for a baby?
You need a lot of shit for a baby.
I ain't
cute.
getting pregnant.
Or it says pockets.
Okay, I'll say.
I like that.
How much is it? I might buy it for you next time. Did it hit me?
I
Or
don't. $24.
$24?
Yep.
Probably a buck.
Oh yeah. Oh look.
I'll pay half. You pay half.
Amazon's cheaper. I just want little cattle. See, that's the one I have, and I paid it so much. I like that one. Baby Bum. That's what mine is. It's called Baby Bum.
Panda mash.
It has pockets inside of it. Really
It's a
don't know what that
peekaboo
is. What is
monkey.
that? What?
It's a peekaboo monkey.
Yeah, it's a humidifier.
A humidifier.
It's a train. Oh my gosh, that thing is huge.
Well, you know, you kind of need it to be huge sometimes.
White Stipers. Oh my goodness. I so want this one.
Didn't yours come with one?
Yeah, but it's like itty bitty. Like, see? Look at that. Shit. I love this one. It's called Baby Bum.
You just said that.
I know, but I forgot what it was called. I'm not telling you. I don't like that. And there's a girl one. There's a Jeep one. Yeah, that's way too big. Very big. Is that too girly?
No. I don't think so. Joys of shopping.
Let's see if I can. Oh! Wow.
You just pulled me down.
I know. Oh, look at that.
Dummy.
You like that? We'll have to get you some more toys.
You can easily use it these kind of things.
You know it.
Shopping in your baby shower, I was playing with toys. I'll admit it, it was pretty fun actually. It's a cupcake. Those aren't fun, they don't squeak.
What bath?
Bath visor.
Okay, I got one. He has one of those.
Yeah, I've seen it. I was playing with it, believe it or not. They had a vibrating monkey when I was here looking for your stuff. It's pretty
I really think he would like that. You know the monkey rattle you got me?
Yeah.
Bella freaking ate it.
So I need to buy another one?
I don't know.
I buy another one.
Really? Bella?
She bought the best gift you got. Well, she ate the best gift you got. I can't talk. Camouflage blanket.
Humongous.
Yeah, they have big ones. What the freak? It's a cow.
Oh my god.
I thought it was a part of it. It's not.
Don't worry, I did too.
Okay,
I need one of these. So bad.
pack and play?
Yeah.
I ain't buying it.
I gotta see if my grandma is still using her pack and play.
I love those swings.
Yeah, I think getting one of those.
Well, I'm done.
Okay.
My arm hurts. Bye.